Welcome back to the channel. My name is Andrew. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate channel. In this video, we're going through this apartment that's pretty big. It's 300 square meters. It's got the living room and the dining area and the kitchen kind of all integrated. It's an open concept. It's been remodeled recently. It's awesome. 300 square meters is over 3,200 square feet. So it's pretty big. You've got the dishwasher, you've got an oven, the fridge over there on that side. This is the laundry area here, which is a pretty big area. And then on top of that, you also have this area over here, which is the maid's quarters. You could have a live-in maid who would have her own full bathroom back here. You could make it an extra bedroom if you wanted to rent out the place and add an extra bedroom. This is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath without counting that maid's quarters. If you wanted to knock that down and maybe make it a pantry or use it as a pantry and then an extra bathroom back there, that's fine. This is the dining area here and the living room. It's kind of like a dual living room. You've got the TV area there and then a living area here. You've got the first half bath here. Again, I love the micro cement. That's obviously a trend, especially here in Colombia right now. You've got the other bedrooms over here. This is one of the bedrooms that they use as a kid's bedroom. It's got access to a balcony, or not a balcony, it's more of a patio because this is a second floor, or a ground floor, I should say. It has its own full bath and a walk-in closet. And we're gonna walk back here and take a look at the next bedroom. This bedroom right here, also very big. It's got its own bathroom as well here. Full bathroom. All of the bathrooms are big, and the closets, look at the closet space. It's just huge. Modern bathrooms, modern design. I think it looks beautiful. I would love to live in this with my family. I think it would be amazing. Okay, I'm gonna go back in here and look at the third bedroom, master bedroom, which is also very big, and it has access to the back, which I'm going to show you is my favorite part of the apartment. But first, let's take a look at this bathroom, which is a giant bathroom, dual sinks, big shower, toilet there, and you've got the walk-in closet over here, which is even bigger than the others. So this is a perfect place for someone that wants to live in Medellin and wants to be in El Poblado, near Provenza, but far enough where you don't get any of the noise. It's very peaceful. Again, this is a ground floor, but you've got this huge terrace. This is my favorite part. You could put a jacuzzi out here. If you've got kids, it's a great area for kids. If you have a dog, it's a great area for the dog. You can do so much with this. There's so much potential. We're gonna go back in here. This is the patio furniture here, and go back into the living area. Now let's take a look at where this is located, because this is a very strategic location. The apartment building itself is very quiet, but let's take a look on the map here. All right, if we go to our listing here on our website at MedellinLivingRealEstate.com and we scroll down, we'll see the map here. As we scroll in here, you can see this is Calle 10. This is Parque del Poblado over here. You've got Parque Lleras right here, and this is the Provenza area. So this is right above it on Calle 30, or 30th, or Carrera 30, I should say, right here. Let's take a look at Google Maps for more context. Here's the touristy area of Calle 10, and this is right above it. So you're basically walking distance to Parque Lleras, Parque El Poblado, all of the restaurants, etc. But you'll never get any of the noise. You don't hear any of this up here because it is far enough where you're not going to get all of that noise. You've got restaurants literally right down here, walking distance, which is great. These restaurants obviously don't do any noise. There's a church over here, and a lot of other things to do along La Inferior. You've got the Mall Plaza Bella up here, Runico, which is a famous restaurant as well. OCO is a famous restaurant. You've got Mall Verona over here and the San Esteban shopping mall. Obviously, if you're living in this area, you probably have a car or you're using Uber all of the time to get around because it's so cheap and easy to get around here. That being said, if you're interested in this one, if you want to take a look at it, or if you're interested in something completely different, all you got to do is click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on my team will get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.